So I learned something new recently, which is that animals can experience a state of hypnosis. We're actually writing a paper to be published on the animal model of hypnosis. And sure enough, I was looking through this really old hypnosis book that I have. I mean, this is 1893. And sure enough, you go through it, there's a section, How to Hypnotize Animals, right there. Looking at a hypnotized lobster and a hypnotized hen. So now I really want people to send me videos of them guiding their pets into a state of hypnosis.